Hello everyone, this is St.Juste from Just Pictures, and I am coming to you to tell you about a product that I just purchased. You know, my mother used to say these words, each one teach one. So I kind of taken that philosophy and use it as my own. So I learn things, or if I acquire things, I like to pass it on to others. So I'm going to be unboxing a new product that I just bought. Yongnuo YN300 Air. So here it is. Yongnuo. I've had their flash in the past, and it worked pretty well when I had my GH2. But now I have a Fujifilm camera XT1, and I'm going to try this out. And here it goes. Very slim. So here it is. Yongnuo, very small. I think I was expecting it to be bigger, but we'll see what happens when we light it up. Make sure we line it up properly, and let's turn it on and see what happens. There we go. Wow, pretty bright. All right, so this is another piece that comes with another part that comes with the LED light, and it's a handle. You can just use this handle to put onto a light stand, but you can also just attach it to the LED, so you can hold it up, or have somebody else actually. You can have your second shooter or your person that's working with you to hold it up while you are taking your pictures or doing your video interviews and things of that nature. Alright, so I'm going to give a little demonstration of how the functions work in the back. So you just press this button here. That's the power button, but this button is also for you to dial up to give you more light or less light. It goes from 0 all the way up to 99. So right now it's let's give it 49. Right now it's on 5500K, which is daylight. You can turn it from daylight to 3200, which is tungsten, I believe how you say it, if that's how you say it. Just indoor light that we see in our homes. So 3200, 3200, or 5500K. Switch it back and forth. 3200K, 3200. And then you can also right now, let me put it to find. Find is when you press find, the button that says the light that says find. When you press find, it goes down. The numbers go down in increments of 1. You know, so 83, 82, 81, so on and so forth. But when you press course, then it goes down and up in increments of 10. So it just goes a little quicker if you want to go from 0 to 99. Alright, so that's course and fine. And then I think you press battery to tell you the battery life. And this is your setting right here. I haven't played around with that yet, so I don't know really how it works yet. Let me turn it off. So this is how you turn it off. Pretty bright. I like it. So this is how you turn it off. You just press that, and when you're getting ready to take it out, you just gotta be very careful. You want to make sure that you press this button here for the battery. Press that button here, and then just slide it off. Remember when you're putting it on, you gotta line it up, slide it on, taking it off, press that button, slide it off. In this section right here, this is for the power, the AC adapter, which is sold separately. So battery sold separately, AC adapter also sold separately, and I bought this one, and I got all of this from Amazon. I bought them both on Amazon. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you on the next video. So as my philosophy says, each one teach one. Let's do that. Each one teach one, and I will be seeing you all soon. All the best to you.